If your history knowledge is feeling a bit rusty, you're in luck. Let's talk about the Korean War. First up, Korea was divided at the end of World War II into North and South. The North, backed by the Soviet Union, and the South, supported by the United States. Now picture this. Both sides wanted to reunify Korea but under their own political systems. Tensions skyrocketed. Then came June 25, 1950. North Korea invades South Korea, crossing the 38th parallel. This was the spark that ignited the war. The United States and other UN nations rushed to South Korea's aid. Meanwhile, China stepped in to support North Korea. It wasn't just a local conflict anymore, it was a Cold War battleground. So, to sum it up, post-World War II division, clashing ideologies, and international intervention were the main causes of the Korean War. History's got layers, folks. Want more quick history bites? Hit that subscribe button for your daily dose of the past.